You can create awesome videos for free. How, you ask? Well, you can actually even rock the algorithm with Pippit. All right, everyone. So welcome to Pippit. If you want to create amazing videos like the ones you see right here, check out how awesome this looks. You can do so just by prompting. You don't have to have a fancy camera. You don't have to have knowledge of video. Look how awesome these videos look, and you can do this right here. How? You simply click here on the plus. You can choose your media, your file, or assets. Then you can go ahead and pick a model if you want. And they have the Seedance model. They have the Dreamina. They have a lot right here. So you can go ahead and pick one, or you can just go ahead and prompt it, whether you want video or image. It is right here. An image also has Nano Banana, GPT, all that fun stuff. So here you can go ahead and create a video, create a frog in a top hat dancing. It's 37 seconds. So this will load. You can see video to a dog, video with a cat, video to a cat dog, all that kind of stuff. So it's going to take a look at that. We can also play around here so we can see a dog, an angel. Look at this guy.
They say every dog is an angel, but this little guy is a professional chaos coordinator. From stealing my breakfast to turning the living room into a war zone. Honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Very cool. So all you have to do on a similar video with a dog, just in cat. So all you have to do is go ahead and prompt it, or cat to dog.
Okay, Beethoven, that's enough practice for one night.
And look how good these look. So you can post this on Instagram. You can post this on your TikTok. You can post this anywhere. You can come up with different concepts. So here you just type in what you want, and then it's good to go. Now it does matter what kind of model you pick up. So you can pick Seedance, and then you can do the Story Studio, or you can also do your own avatars. So you can select from different avatars that they have and play around with that. If you need to switch to another tool, you can do long, immersive shorts, whatever works. And then this will give you suggestions here. So you can do a talking video if you want. Now, how do you do this? You simply come here, and if you have a photo, you can do that, or you can actually use some of these. So you can create with that photo, or you can create with this photo, which is kind of cool to me. And then you go ahead and hit next. Got it. You pick a video. Hello, how are you? And then it's just going to generate the video. So how awesome is that? You can simply generate the video by putting all the information in, and you're good to go. Now it's going to take a while to download. As you can see here, I've had a few other videos which I've done this with. So that is the basics of using Pippit. Now there's so much more to cover, but this should give you a quick introduction so you can make those cool Instagram shorts. You can make those TikToks. You can make whatever you want on social media. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.